Have you ever thought about making your garden not only beautiful, but also edible? Welcome to the world of edible landscaping, a unique approach that marries aesthetics with practicality. Imagine stepping outside and picking fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs for your meals right from your garden. But why should you consider edible landscaping? What's in it for you? Imagine saving money on groceries with fresh, organic produce from your backyard. Experience the joy of growing your own food. Not only does it beautify your outdoor space, but it also serves a purpose beyond just aesthetics. Starting your edible landscape is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, choose plants that serve a dual purpose. They should be both ornamental and edible. Think blueberry bushes, apple trees, or vibrant chard. Next, consider your climate and soil conditions. Some plants thrive in cooler temperatures, others in warmer. Lastly, plan your layout for both beauty and convenience. Position plants for easy harvesting, but also for aesthetic appeal. Remember, your goal is to create a visually pleasing landscape that also provides an abundance of food. Here are a few tips to make your edible landscape a thriving success. To ensure your soil is fertile, incorporate compost regularly. It's nature's way of recycling nutrients back into the earth. Regular watering is essential for plant health. However, avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Ensure proper spacing between plants to allow for growth and air circulation. Lastly, embrace natural pest control methods. Beneficial insects and birds can be your best allies. With these tips in hand, you're well on your way to a garden that's both beautiful and bountiful. Edible landscaping is a unique and rewarding approach to gardening. It's a delightful fusion of beauty and practicality, offering aesthetic appeal and fresh, homegrown produce. We've explored its benefits, shared tips on starting your own edible landscape, and offered some advice for success. Remember, the joy of gardening comes not just from the visual appeal, but also from the fruits of your labor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!